kids, this is we got all those cars and we have a new toy. This is the ultimate shark Jeep and it sees that the car can be eaten. Yeah, you can eat that car stuck in there, and it says it's the ultimate shark. Whatever it does, the shark can't stop. But only you can know what it says. So here it is. So that's where the car starts. And then there's a surf guy in the car to go round and round on a loop, and he doesn't know that and ramp into the shark mouth. And he don't know. If he sees it, the shark won't eat him. Okay, let's open this. So there's a little tape on here. Okay, cut all the tape. Okay, there you go. And the other side. Okay. We're time to rip it open. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! I got it. I did it. Oh, I'm getting pieces. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of pieces. And here's this surfing guy. Here's the launch, right? Whoa! So, you have to read the instructions. Now let me get the car out. Oh no, the car's stuck. Tape. Scissors, come here. And this is the final launch bay. Time to... Okay, it's time to launch the car. Launching. Let's start with the launcher. I think you have to start. And this goes. Time. Don't get down.
No.
Don't shark down. Okay, it's time to go with the car, and then it's time to go. Okay. Car, which car is it? Me. Go out. Hooray, I'm not gonna be eaten. 1, 2. Arise. Oh, missed again. I'll try. Okay. Miss. Of course not. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look.
It didn't go in his mouth.
It didn't go in his mouth.
He came out.
Yeah. I'm going to try again.
Okay, let me back up. Oh, miss. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! I need more cars! I don't want a signed car of the whole. Okay, Nana. Okay, it's the 4 erases in my eyes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, landed on the wheels. Let's go with the fastest sports car. Mary get down on Megalith. Oh, missed. This one. Try on top. Yo! Work. Now, please.
Try again.
Let's try with the police car. Police car versus triangle truck. Triangle truck is good. Oh, they didn't do it. I guess it's not good enough. Oh, let's try with this one. Oh my gosh, Daddy, what happened to it? Guess. Yes, that's all complete. This is the coolest set. Now the survivor having ready to shoot the shark. Chomp, 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 chomp. And then roll! And someone reversed the car. And then he stopped. He says, I don't care if I go there. And he rams into the shark's mouth. Stop. And he comes out of his bottom. And then he came back. And then room. Why are you sticking my tongue? I'm eating. Gobble you up. Yeah. Top speed. Did it? Kids didn't watch. The kids didn't watch it go. Okay. This is this. Let's try off the flag. Top speed. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Come here, car. I'm gonna eat you. No, 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 no. Sharpie needs the car. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can run, slam that shark and go in there. Then 1, 2, 3, time to go. This. Oh no! I'm right here. Stop! Double! What? No! The different cars. He ran! We're doing the orange one. Super high speed.
Okay.
It's time to go. The cars that we need. Cars that are random. It's time to do it in fast. Miss Turtle. Oh. He spit it out. And it goes loop-de-loop. We're going to legs. And then stop. Back up. And he's gonna rip into the big shark. And they have it. His back. Daddy, push on that button and let me see you get that. You can do it, Daddy. And you got it right here. See if you can do it. Try again. We made it! It's my turn now, and the kids can see at the tunnel on the back of the shark's butt. He did it!
Try once more.
I did it!
Once more.
Go! It's time to go! Do it! Dicey! Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm not gonna eat that disgusting car. I don't want no more cars. I'm not gonna swallow no more cars. And set my mouth. Oh, I accidentally swallowed him. And I'm swimming back to the beach. Oh, hey. Oh no, there's a surfer guy. And I fall back to land. Time for you to get a lucky day. There you go. Your Tom. Time to go down, and the shark never sees. Hey kids, we're gonna try this out because I showed Daddy some lessons how the gravity pulls it up and into his mouth, but he looks kind of mean with his red eyes. So let's see what. Let's choose the one that Cameron said. This is the one. So for me, we set it and not on that. So. See ya.
Where's the car?
Blue one. So let's go in first. Miss Dolly.